It's Claire at Redemption Farm.
Mom,
so today we are going to be learning. My husband Jason is going to teach me and the boys and McKenna how to work a fire extinguisher. We don't know, and he wants to teach us. So we are going to try to turn this around. So can you explain what we're supposed to do?
Okay, so you aim the fire extinguisher at the base of the fire. So go ahead and push this down. Get up there and sweep it. Okay, that's good.
Can you show me what you pushed down and what you did? Don't aim it at me, but tell everybody what you just did. Hold it up and show me.
Oh no! Oh no!
You what?
Don't fire it again!
Out. If not, you won't be able to shoot. And then you aim and press this down. This thing right here.
This thing right here? You press that down. What did you pull out first?
The pin.
The pin.
It
All right.
is right
And
here.
then you aimed it at the. Do you aim it at the top of the fire or the bottom of the fire, or where did you aim it?
I didn't aim it.
You didn't aim it.
No.
If there would be a fire in our house, where would you aim it at?
I don't know.
Riker,
What?
I'm ready
On the top?
for another.
The top, the
No.
base of the fire. What's the base of the fire?
The middle again.
The base is a bottom.
This is not.
Oh.
Okay, now let it get burning.
It's not loud, bud. It's not loud. Okay. Now. It's burning pretty good. They set up this box. They put twigs
All right,
in.
are you ready? Go ahead, put it out. Keep going. Keep going. It's not
Is
out
the fire
yet.
out?
No. No.
Okay, now come over here. Doesn't sound like it's out. Hit it again. I think your fire extinguisher is empty. So guys, what we did, we just bought some junk fire extinguishers at auctions just to practice with. This is not necessarily what you want in your house. You want really good ones, but these $2 auction ones are great for practice. Can you pull it out? Okay. Now all you do is push. Hey, don't hold your ears. See what I'm doing?
Okay.
Okay, all you do is push this down. But we need to.
No, you're in my way.
See how easy that was? Do you want to try it?
See, just push this down real quick.
Okay.
Okay, use both hands. The pin. Pull the pin. Right here.
So I hope you guys, my phone died, so I had to get another battery. But I hoped you guys noticed how he was afraid of it. He was actually scared of it. He had no clue what it was going to do. He's 5 years old. And it is so important for him to be comfortable with it, to know. Is that one not working? We bought a bunch of old junkers that we bought at an auction, and we're just using them for practice. But he was scared of it, and he did shoot the last one and he was fine. And it was just getting him comfortable with them, knowing they're not scary, and having that talk. Like, just make sure you have that conversation with your kids. What would you do if there's a fire? What would you do, if a firefighter came? Like, all those questions. McKenna, you can shoot it too then. Hang on. So he's going to show us. Did you pull out the pin?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Whoa! Was that pretty scary?
Hit it again. Go ahead.
Was it? You don't want to do it? Okay, McKenna wants to do it.
Okay, come here,
Yeah, it's
McKenna.
loud.
It's okay.
Okay.
So Jackson's not liking the loud noise of it. Oh my goodness! Good job, Miss McKenna. I'm gonna get on the other side.
So not over
Can you do it by yourself, Jack Riker?
Hit it.
And what are you aiming at?
Ah!
The bottom.
I don't want that
That's
smoke.
right. Oh.
Almost empty.
All right, go ahead, empty it.
Okay. Do you have anything else to say about it?
Not really. That's why you keep good fire extinguishers in your house. Buy the junkers at garage sales, auctions. Use those for practice. You certainly don't want something like that when you really need it.
And we also just realized that there's actually not that much in them. Like, there is actually not that much in these. Like, they're small, they're tiny, and they don't have a lot of, like, stuff in them to actually kill the fire. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I would love if you left comments in the bottom and tell me, like, what do you do for safety for your family? What have you taught your children? What have you talked about? Like, do you talk about fire safety? And just, like, do they know what to do? Thank you guys for watching, and be blessed. Until next time.